Create an email flow via Klaviyo when your customer's review is submitted and published on an online store. On the left menu, open Integration tab. Then choose Klaviyo. Follow the steps there to start the integration. Make sure you have a Klaviyo account beforehand. From Klaviyo settings, create the private API key and copy the private key. Go back to Ali Review. Input the API key and click Verify. Congratulations! You have completed the integration. Now, let's create a Klaviyo flow using Ali Review's triggers. On the left menu, choose Flow. Create flow. Create from scratch. Name it Ali Reviews. Create flow. Select metric from trigger setting. Choose Ali Reviews Published. Add the trigger filter. Check our article for detailed information. Drag to add email into the flow. Click on email and configure the content. Start to customize your email. Remember to save your settings after finishing setting up. Change the flow's status to live. Save and exit. It's all set. Enjoy.